welcome back to day 12 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I can't wait to see what this is. My name is Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Oh, I'm so excited. There's so many great guesses in the comments too. And I think a lot of people agreed with me on what it is. I can't wait to see. I hope it's what we think it is. Let's see. All right, and I'm kind of over the whole keeping the sticker thing, because what am I going to do with them? Somebody asked me what I was going to do with them, and I'll probably just end up throwing them out because what am I going to do with them? Maybe put them in my journal. I don't know. All right, here we go. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, I've seen these online. This is so great. This is an embroidery kit with a pattern. I love it. And if you remember last year, I'll try to find a picture of it. We made this snowflake, and I did make it. And this is a snowflake wall hanging, and it's one of those embroidery hoops with the frames. Oh my goodness. I love this item. All right, let me open it up. Okay, so here's the pattern. And then we got the pearl cotton or embroidery floss. I'm not sure what you call it. Oh, there's little gems that you sew on, or you must sew on. Oh my goodness. All right, here's the panel to embroider, and I would think it's just a straight stitch. The running stitch or straight stitch. It has a bunch of different stitches in here. And then we have the embroidery hoop. And then this is the frame. So after you make it, you put it in this frame somehow, which I'll figure out. I'll try to get this done. I think I could. This isn't that big of a deal. I can be watching TV and doing that. It's kind of small, but oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I love this item. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this. Oh. Yay. And then we can use that little trinket box that we got yesterday. Oh. So great, so great. Okay, let's guess. Let's guess the next one. Let me find it. I did put it out, but I couldn't find it. All right, this is for tomorrow, day 13, so we're over halfway. I'm gonna guess, so I'm gonna hold it up. Warning, 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 warning. Okay, so it's this one. I have no idea. It's kind of squishy. It's lumpy right there. I don't know what this is. Squishy down in here. Let's see. Doesn't make any sound really. Huh. I don't know what that is. We'll have to find out tomorrow. All right, let's talk about our running totals because we're getting really close to breaking even. In fact, I guarantee we will, as of tomorrow, after I add this in, be in the black, which is so awesome. So the wooden box, which like I said yesterday, I don't think is wooden. It's kind of like a plastic type thing. So I'm putting this at $22 just because I found other ones like it on Etsy that were around that price. This was another one that was tricky to find, but I think I did okay. That puts our running total to $187.50. We paid $190.75, at least here in the United States, and the amount remaining then would be $3.25 until we break even. And we are on day 12. I mean, that's crazy. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited about that. So with everything added in, I mean, I think we're just doing really well. I think this box, not that there's any question, but I think that this box really does hold its value. There are things, of course, that I don't particularly love, and there's things that you maybe don't love too, but overall, in the experience too, I mean, all of it put together, it's so much fun. I have such a good time, as you can tell. Oh, one last thing I want to talk about. Comments. I'm doing my best to keep up with comments, but my goodness, there's so many, which is so wonderful. I read them all. I can't possibly respond to them all. So please know that I try my best to respond to as many as I can, but I'm becoming swamped pretty quickly. Just know I read them all. If there are any questions, I try my best to always respond to them, but I'm drowning here in comments. So please don't take offense if I haven't responded yet or haven't responded at all. Hopefully I'll catch up and it won't be a big deal, but right now I'm really trying my hardest to keep up. So there's that. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I will see you real soon. Bye.